Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify hyperparameter logs using Optuna dashboard, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify hyperparameter logs using the Optuna dashboard, begin by ensuring you have your environment set up properly. Install Optuna if you haven't already, using pip in your terminal. Next, create a Python script where you'll implement your machine learning model. Within your script, import the necessary libraries for Optuna and your specific model. Define your objective function, which includes the parameters you wish to optimize. Set up the study, specifying the direction for optimization, whether that be maximizing or minimizing. Run the optimization process by calling the study's optimize method, passing your objective function and the number of trials. Once your trials are complete, you'll want to visualize and analyze the results. To access the Optuna dashboard, start by launching the dashboard server in your terminal using the command Optuna dashboard. This command will provide you with a URL, typically http://localhost 8080. Open a web browser and navigate to this URL to access the Optuna dashboard. Once in the dashboard, you will see an overview of your studies and various metrics. Click on a specific study to dive deeper into its hyperparameter logs. The dashboard displays essential information like the trial number, parameter values, and the corresponding objective values. You can filter trials based on different parameters to evaluate their performance effectively. Pay attention to the trial importance plots, as they can highlight significant hyperparameters influencing your model's performance. Utilize the correlation matrix to examine how different parameters relate to one another. To export results, check for options that allow you to download the trial logs as a CSV or JSON file. With these files, you can conduct further analysis or use them for improving your model outside the dashboard. Review the charts available in the dashboard for visual insights into your hyperparameter optimization. Finally, take note of patterns or anomalies that you observe in the hyperparameter performance to inform your next modeling steps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.